Cake Pops! Today we are going to a very easy dessert. Ingredients: vainilla or chocolate cake, Nutella, black and white chocolate, sprinkles, sugar candies, chocolate chips, and lollipop sticks. Instructions: first cook the cake. When the cake is cool, we cut in crumbs. Mix this batter with a cup of Nutella. With a tablespoon, can use the ice cream tablespoon, scoop small balls similar to truffles. Meanwhile, you can melt the chocolate at bain-marie. To insert the lollipop sticks in the balls, use the melted chocolate. After making all the small balls, put them in the freezer 20 minutes. Now comes the fun part. Add balls spliced in a lollipop sticks and dip it into melted chocolate. Before the chocolate cools, add the sprinkles, and when the chocolate is cool, you can add and enjoy them. As you can see, the recipe is very easy, and you can also other frostings as cream cheese or caramel. These cake pops are pretty simple and can be made various shapes and be decorated different. I hope you like it, my recipe.